Okay, so welcome to our video here for the provisioning of a Polycom IP300 series phone. So here, as you can see, here's the Polycom 300 series. So first things first, what we're going to do here is we're going to press the menu button, which is labeled right there, and it's going to take us into the main menu. Now what we're going to do is we're going to arrow down until we see settings. I'm going to go ahead and select that by hitting the check mark right here in the middle, and it's going to take us into the settings menu. Now there's two levels of settings on these phones, basic and advanced. So we want advanced, so let's go ahead and select that. Now the password in this case is 456. That's the default password. So once you get into there, you're going to want to go into admin settings, network configuration, arrow down. It's going to take you to the server menu. Now that's where you want to go. So go and hit the check mark right there. Now right now, by default, server type is FTP. However, that is not going to work. We need to change that. So let's go ahead and check mark that and arrow until we find HTTP. We're going to go ahead and hit OK. That will save it. Now, you arrow down now. It's going to take you to the server address. You're going to want to go ahead and select that. Now right now, if you press any of these keys to try to spell anything out, you're going to get numbers only. So example 2, 3, 4. Now to back out of that, what you're going to do here is hit this arrow right here that's pointing over to the left. Now we'll erase what's in those fields. What you need to do, and it's pretty straightforward, come down here to the pound key and press it once, and you can see it's changed to URL. That's what we want. So now it gives you a neat little thing to tell you where you're at on the character. So basically, you just need to put this in. Now for punctuation, you do need to hit the star key. Now it's going to bring up a menu, obviously, just like everything else. Star key located right there. So it's going to say, okay, that must be what you meant. So you hit that once, it's going to put a decimal point, or a dot, whatever you want to call it. And you're going to go ahead and spell out the rest of our provisioning server URL. Again, another period, same thing, down here, star key, up, hit it once, that'll put the period. You just spell out the rest of it on the keypad, just like you were texting on your cell phone. Oops, went too far there, so you just hit it again, it'll cycle all the way back around. Now, to do the /, same thing, star key, until you get over to the symbol you want, and be the /, and spell out the rest of our provisioning server URL. And there you go. That's it. So what you're going to do is you're going to hit OK when you're done. And as you can see, it's in there. ndp.vincom.net/CFG. So now go ahead and hit the left arrow key. It's going to back you out. Obviously it's going to ask you to save the config. You want to go ahead and hit yes. And that's going to reboot the phone. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is the video on how to provision your IP300 series phone.